Hello there, welcome to our channel where we make banking and financial processes easy to understand. Today we're talking about how to withdraw a large amount of money from KeyBank. Whether you're making a big purchase, paying off a debt, or simply need cash on hand, I've got you covered. Now let's dive in. So in this section of KeyBank, you'll be able to find the KeyBank ATM features, the reason why you should select KeyBank as your mobile bank, and so much more. So once you scroll down in this section, you'll be able to find the facts section of KeyBank. So in there, you'll be able to find a few facts about KeyBank, such as the withdrawal limit of KeyBank. So once we scroll down in this section, you'll be able to find this. Is there a limit to how much money I can withdraw from an ATM in one day? And as you can see, as indicated in here, yes, for account security, KeyBank does have a daily withdrawal limit based on the card that you use, and the limit are set as default or standard limits. But to give you the flexibility you need with your money, you are able to easily request a different daily maximum ATM or purchase limit. So how can you do that? You can request to increase the limit on your card by visiting any KeyBank branch. And in emergency situations, you may request an increase by calling 1-800-KEY-TO-YOU. And from there, you can simply request a higher withdrawal limit. And once you have requested a higher withdrawal limit, you can now simply withdraw a large amount of money from KeyBank. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to withdrawing a large amount of money from KeyBank. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical banking tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.